everyone, welcome back to Crochet Crafts. Today we are diving into the most beautiful textured stitches, the basket weave stitch. It's perfect for blankets, scarves and anything that needs that cozy look. Stick around till the end because I've got a bonus tip that will make your edges so much neater. For today's demo, I'm using DK yarn and I'm using a 5mm hook. You can use whatever yarn you like, but medium weight yarn is really good for this stitch because it really shows off the textured beautifully. We'll start by making a multiple of 8 plus 2 extra chains. For my swatch, I'm going to chain 18. So that is 16 for the stitch pattern plus 2 extra chains for turning. If you're making something bigger like a blanket, just add your chains in multiples of 8, then add those 2 extra chains at the end. For row 1, we are going to double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3 into this chain. We are going to do a double crochet, and we're going to double crochet all the way across, and this is going to give us a nice solid base to work our post stitches into. So we are going to chain 2 and we'll turn our work, and these 2 chains count as your first stitch. So for the next 4 stitches we will do a front post double crochet. So what you're going to do is we're going to yarn over, insert our hook around the post from the front to back front like so, from the front to back to front, and we are going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and we are going to finish a double crochet. Then into the next 4 stitches we'll do post double crochet. Okay, so we are going to do that, yarn over, front, back, front, and yarn over, 3 loops on our hook, and we do a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook around the post from front to back to front, and yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now that's the 3rd. Now into the 4th one, yarn over, to front to back to front, yarn over, 3 loops, pull up 2, pull through 2, just like that. Now then for the next 4 stitches we are going to do the back post double crochet. So we are going to yarn over, insert into the hook from the back to front to back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, yarn over, from back to front to back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to complete a double crochet. Again, yarn over, to back to front to back, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Last one, yarn over, from the back, this is the front, now we are inserting from the back to front, our hook is in the front now, we will take it to the back, yarn over and complete a double crochet. Now Now we are going to repeat the same thing. We started with the front post, 4 front posts and 4 back posts. So we are going to do 4 front posts and 4 back posts. So we are going to yarn over, front to back to front, yarn over, double crochet. Yarn over, back to front, yarn over, a double crochet. That's a front post double crochet. That's 4. Now we are going to do another 4 back post double crochet. But if you are doing a big project, you might have a long way to go. So back to front to back, back to front to back, back to front to back. Once you're done at the end of your row into these stitches here, we are going to do a half double crochet. So we are going to yarn over, insert, 3 loops on our hook and pull through all 3. So now we're going to chain 2, and for row 3 and 4 we are going to repeat exactly what we did in row 2. This creates our first set of raised and recessed basket blocks. So yarn over, and as you can see, this are front posts. We will do also front posts. So we are repeating row 2. Back post, back post. Front post. So we are going to repeat row 2, and into those 2 stitches we did, we are going to leave a half double crochet in there. Now this is round 4, and we are going to repeat the same thing. Repeating row 2. Two and turn. Now we switch. So work 4 back post double crochet where you see the front post double crochet, and 4 front post double crochet where you see the back post double crochet. So what you're going to do, as you can see, we have front post here. We are going to do back post. So from back to front to back, that's the back post. Back to front to back. So to back to front to back, yarn over. Now we have back post double crochets. So we are going to do front post double crochets. Front post to back to front, right? From front to back to front. Front to back to front. From front to back to front, around the post. Now we have the front post. We'll do the back post. From back to front to back. Back to front to back. from the back to front to back. That's the back post. From the back to front to back. Okay, now we have the back post. We'll do the front post from front to back to front. Front to back to front. Front to back to front. Till the end. And at the end, we'll insert our hook into the stitches, 2 chains we did at the beginning, and then we do a half double crochet, just like that. So from here, it's just a matter of repeating those 2 sets, 4 rows of one, then 4 rows of the other. You can make your basket squares taller or shorter by just changing how many rows you want before switching. So if you're new to post stitches, take it slowly. Sometimes it's easy to accidentally add or lose stitches at the edges. Always count your stitches at the end of each row to keep the edge straight. So here's the bonus tip for those beautiful straight edges I promised earlier. Always work your first stitch into the top of the turning chain from the row below. This keeps the edge straight and perfectly aligned. Make sure your finished project looks much neater. Let me know in the comments if you are using it for a scarf, blanket, or maybe something totally unexpected. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crochet tutorials, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our next stitches in our series.